Hello students, today I am going to review my lecture number 15 worksheets of lesson number 1 to 8 10. Lesson 1 map worksheet. Choose the correct option. Number 1, all the lines of longitude and latitude from a dash. A, keys. B, symbols. C, grid. D, none of them. Right answer is C, grid. Number 2, a dash map shows the heights of hills and mountains. A, physical. B, political. C, drawing. D, relief. And right answer is D, relief. Number 3, a dash shows the earth as a sphere. A, physical map. B, relief map. C, globe. D, border. Right answer is C, globe. Number 4, the dash divides the earth into northern and southern hemisphere. A, longitude. B, equator. C, latitude. D, none of them. Right answer is B, equator. Number 5, there are dash parallels of latitude in each hemisphere. A, 90. B, 180. C, 60. D, 360. Right answer is A, 90. 6, dash path through Greenwich, England. A, prime meridian. B, international date line. C, equator. D, degree. Right answer is A, prime meridian. 7, dash tell us what the symbols and colors used on map mean. A, key. B, scale. C, compass rose. D, all of these. Right answer is A, key. Number 8, 180 meridian is also known as prime meridian. B, international date. C, equator. D, degree. Right answer is A, prime meridian. Number 9, the lines running east to west are called parallel of dash. A, longitude. B, latitude. C, map. D, direction. Right answer is B, latitude. Number 10, Karachi is located at almost 25 and dash. A, 65E. B, 66E. C, 67E. D, 68E. Right answer is C, 67E. Match the columns. Column A, map, direction on map, political map, ideal, prime meridian. Column B, international date line, 1884, compass rose, drawing showing area of earth, showing borders. Now we search the answer of column A in column B and write in column C. Map, drawing showing area of earth. Direction on map, compass rose. Political map showing borders. Ideal, international date line. Prime meridian, 1884. Identify the following map and write their name. Kabul, Islamabad, Peshawar, Lahore, Quetta. Choose the correct options. Number 1, dash has great effects on people. A, weather. B, climate. C, season. D, none. Right answer is B, climate. Number 2, a place close to the dash is usually very hot throughout the year. A, equator. B, north pole. C, south pole. D, none of D, both B and C. Right answer is A, equator. Number 3, if we live in dry area, we build house with dash roofs. A, curved. B, flat. C, middle. D, straight. B, answer is B, flat. Number 4, how many climate zones of the world? A, 2. B, 3. C, 4. D, 5. Right answer is C, 4. Number 5, dash are close to tropics. A, continental deserts. B, tropical deserts. C, rain shadow. D, none. Right answer is B, tropical deserts. Number 6, the annual rainfall in Lahore is dash mm. A, 217.3. B, 35.3. C, 628.8. D, none. Right answer is C, 628.8. Number 7, dash lies just to the north of the Tropic of Cancer. A, Pakistan. B, India. C, Bangladesh. D, none. Right answer is A, Pakistan. Number 8, Jacobite once recorded a temperature of dash. A. 52, B. 53, C. 23, D. 43. Right answer is B. 53. Number 6. Rice grows well in dash. A. Wet, B. Warm, C. Tropical climate, D. All of these. Right answer is D. All of these. Number 10. People prefer indoor games in dash. A. Warm climate, B. Hot climate, C. Cold climate, D. None. Right answer is C. Cold climate. Question 2. Match the columns. Column A, column B and column C. Number 1. Column A. Antarctic Circle. Number 2. Hottest month in Punjab. 3. Tropic of Cancer. Number 4. Water vapor. Number 5. Lowest temperature of Quetta. Number B. Humidity 16, minus 16, 66.5, 23.5, June. Now we search the answer of column A in column B and write in column C. Antarctic Circle 66.5. Hottest month in Punjab, June. Tropic of Cancer 23.5. Water vapor humidity. Lowest temperature of Quetta minus 16. Question number 3. Write down the name of lines of latitude which divide the world into climate regions and write the name of regions as well. Arctic, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, very hot and very wet, hot and wet, very hot and very dry, warm and wet, cool and dry, very cold. Antarctic Circle. World map showing climate region. Lesson 8. Pakistan and her neighbors worksheet. Choose the correct options. Number 1. In the south, Pakistan has coastline. A. 800 km long, B. 700 km long, C. 600 km long, D. 500 km long. Right answer is A. 800 km long. B. Number 2. Iran has the world's oil reserves of. Number 2. Iran has the world's oil reserves of A. 40%, B. 30%, C. 20%, D. 10%. Right answer is D. 10%. Number 3. Karakoram Highway was opened in 1979, B. 1978, C. 1977, D. 1976. Right answer is B. 1978. Number 4. The country has one of the world's oldest civilization. A. Iran, B. Afghanistan, C. China, D. India. Right answer is C. China. Number 5. India has large plateau which is called A. Deccan Plateau, Pamir Plateau, Balochistan Plateau, B. Tibetan Plateau. Right answer is A. Number 2. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Pakistan is situated in the continent of dash, Asia. Number 2. Until 1935, Iran was called dash, Persia. Number 3. The population of Afghanistan is made up of Pashtuns, Uzbeks, and Tajiks. Number 3. The population of Afghanistan is made up of Pashtuns, Uzbeks, and Tajiks. Number 4. Pakistan shares only a small border with China. Number 5. Pakistan and India has shared history. Match the column. Column A, column B, and column C. Column A. Morocco. Column A. Morocco. Senegal. Nigeria, Chad, Libya, Egypt, Sudan, Somalia, Djibouti, Turkey, Yemen, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Malaysia, Brunei, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Azerbaijan, Colombo, North East Africa, Central Africa, Central Asia, North and West Africa, South East Asia, the Middle East. Column C. North and West Africa, North East Africa, the Middle East, Southeast Asia, Central Asia. We search column answer of column A in column B and write in column C. Lesson 10. Information Communication Worksheet. Fill in the blank. Number 1. Information is knowledge about an issue, problem, event, process or subject. Number 2. Dash media includes all information conveyed through newspaper, magazines and journals. Print. Number 3. Dash plays a critical and important role in educating the general public. Answer is mass media. Number 4. Newspapers are printed in dash. That's why the proper use is used in inexpensive and low grade. Answer is bulk. Number 5. And dash is an audio or visual form of communication. Answer is advertisement. Advertisement. Answer is advertisement. Now your lecture is over.